Hi there, I hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Canon L11121e printer driver on Windows 11 in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open any of the web browsers on your PC or on your laptop. Over here in the search bar of the web browser, you need to simply search for Canon L11121e printer driver. So after searching for it, you will find a bunch of different links from the official website of Canon. Make sure that it contains the Canon driver or the printer series that we have added here. So you just have to simply click on these links and open these in a new tab. So when you come here, you will find this printer driver download link. So here click on the option of download, then click on the option of save. Now this particular driver will be downloaded on your device. Now you just have to double click on it, then simply install it on your device. Similarly, you can also look for the second page that contains Canon driver. You can also download it and see if it is working in your device. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.